Good morning to all my dear student. In the business studies last lecture we have studied online transaction, how it takes place and just intro of outsourcing के लिए I have given you the example of movie Band Baja Barat where they are facilitating or providing the n number of services and they are called as event managers. The number of families provides or outsource their wedding management to those event managers. So this is what outsourcing, and it is very much easier concept nowadays. Number of companies are running in their business. Why? Just because they can only and only focus on their core business and the rest of the allied activities can be done by such outsourcing area or such outsourcing service provider. Number of banks are also nowadays providing such facility or providing their non-core business activities. They are outsourcing those business activities to the outside contractors. See the example of outsourcing they have given. The establishments such as shops, mall, housing societies, offices, etc. outsource facilities like canteen, sanitization, security, etc. In the same way, arrangements for wedding, anniversary, birthday celebration can also be outsourced. So in this, they will provide you all those services like catering service, canteen service, sanitation service, decoration service, light setup, then music system, etc. So all these things are available by only and only having the area of outsource. अगर कोई दो लोग बातें करते होंगे एक दूसरे से तो आपने सुना भी होगा कि मैं मेरा खुद का काम करते करते थक जाता हूँ या थक जाती हूँ. सो दूसरा दोस्त उसे क्या एडवाइस करता है, यार तू तो तेरे नॉन कोर जो इम्पोर्टेंट काम नहीं है उसको तू आउटसोर्स कर सकता है. येस और नो. आउटसोर्स करना मतलब क्या? अपना काम हैंडल करने के लिए दे देना किसी और को. टू हैंड ओवर और वर्क टू बी डन बाय समवन एल्स. नीड फॉर आउटसोर्सिंग. वाई देयर इज़ अ नीड? इसकी ज़रूरत है. येस ऑफ कोर्स. Today, services all over the world are becoming highly specialized. Most services required finely turned skill. What does it mean? You can take example of hospitals. हॉस्पिटल्स में क्या होना चाहिए? हाईली स्पेशलाइज वर्क शुड बी देयर. हाईली स्पेशलाइज सर्विसेज शुड बी प्रोवाइडेड बाय ऑल द डॉक्टर्स. सो दे नीड टू provide a proper attention for their skilled services only. With increasing global competition, most companies are focusing on showcasing their प्रोडक्ट और इम्प्रूविंग द क्वालिटी ऑफ देयर प्रोडक्ट. इसी के लिए कंपनी क्या करती है? कंपनी मेक्स अगेन एंड अगेन ऑन कंटिन्यूस बेसिस. कंपनी इज ऑन रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस फॉर देयर क्वालिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, फॉर द betterment of the product. So this has forced the companies to concentrate on their hardcore activities. So whatever is the main activities are there, so companies should focus on that only. Therefore companies are taking a fresh look at their business processes. Due to this, many non-core areas are being outsourced. एंड जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट क्या होता है, जो नॉन कोर मतलब जो ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण नहीं है बट कंपनी में वो काम भी होना ज़रूरी है. सो वैसे काम किसी और को हैंडल करने के लिए दिए जाते हैं, विच इज़ कॉल्ड एज आउटसोर्सिंग. ओके. So those firms are having especially skilled workforce. The concept of outsourcing has emerged as a result of this thinking. ओके. सो जो ये थिंकिंग है कि आप अपने मेन काम के ऊपर ध्यान दो, इसीलिए ये आउटसोर्सिंग कंसेप्ट बाहर आया है. ओके. नाउ व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ सच आउटसोर्सिंग? See, overall cost advantage. It reduces the cost and also saves the time and efforts on training cost. What does it mean? Suppose my company is manufacturing the number of products and I need security also. So for that I need to provide proper training. Before that I need to employ the number of security guards into my factory. और फिर उसके बाद आई नीड टू प्रोवाइड देम ट्रेनिंग and then after I will need to make the selection of the proper security guards who can handle the security matters of my company. Yes or no? So all these things are very much time consuming in nature, and my company's core business is not hiring security guards. So the core business of my company is what? Manufacturing of the product, क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट मैन्युफैक्चर करना. सो ये सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स रखने के पीछे इतने सारे महीने कौन खर्च करेगा? एंड एट द सेम टाइम इट रिक्वायर्स अ ट्रेनिंग ऑल्सो, सो दैट फॉर टू प्रोवाइड दैट ट्रेनिंग कॉस्ट दैट कंपनी नीड टू बेयर. येस और नो? सो इससे अच्छा क्या है, थोड़े पैसे बाहर दे दो एंड बाहर की कंपनी क्या करेगी? सिक्योरिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करेगी. सो दिस इज़ वॉट ओवरऑल कॉस्ट एडवांटेज. नेक्स्ट इज इट स्टिम्युलेट्स एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को ही एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप भी बोलते हैं. ओके, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड एक्सपोर्ट्स. हाउ इट वर्क्स? सी, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप मीन्स व्हाट? My company is doing only and only core business, but my company requires the another agencies also. So number of another agencies are getting their business ideas. So what they can do is they can simply handle the non-core business of the company. So here entrepreneurship takes place. सो ऐसे क्या हो गया, जिनको मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करना नहीं आता तो वो क्या कर सकते हैं? सिंपली आउटसोर्स फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. एंड जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ विच नंबर ऑफ लेबर्स आर गेटिंग एम्प्लॉयमेंट. जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट जिनको काम करना है बट वो आर अनस्किल्ड इन नेचर, वो आर नॉन एजुकेटेड इन नेचर, बट दे आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग एम्प्लॉयमेंट फैसिलिटी ड्यू टू सच आउटसोर्सिंग इवेंट. देन exports means what? It facilitates n number of facilities to which we can export. What does it mean? Nowadays the company is taking some advanced step to export their product out of India. So in the similar way, number of outsourcing companies are also moving forward and they are outsourcing their highly skilled services to the foreign area also. Okay, so this is what outsourcing takes place. Next is low manpower cost. The manpower cost is much lower than that of host company. As I have said earlier, अगर host company चाहे, so that company will also start to hire some more manpower to get complete work done by that by such particular manpower. And that manpower what is going to do? They are going to complete non-core business activity. But for that the company need to hire those employees. Company need to provide them training facility and then final selection. So इसके लिए ज़्यादा cost लग सकती है. And better way is what? To hand over such work to the बाहर की agency. Next is access to professional, expert and high quality services. See, mostly the tasks are given to the people who are skilled in that particular field. सिक्योरिटीज़ के लिए जो सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स लगते हैं, दे आर गेटिंग देयर स्पेशलाइज्ड ट्रेनिंग फ्रॉम देयर एजेंसीज. सो सच एक्सेस इज गिवन टू द प्रोफेशनल्स सो दे कैन हैंडल और दे कैन मैनेज देयर वर्क इन अ प्रॉपर मैनर. They don't know how to manufacture the goods, but they are very well known regarding the security and safety criteria of the business. So वो सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी के मैटर्स को आराम से क्या कर सकते हैं? संभाल सकते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर स्किल्ड इन दैट पर्टिकुलर फील्ड. So this provides us with a better level of service and fewer chances of errors. Okay, and at the same time it reduces the risk for the business. All of you clear? Next is it emphasizes on core process rather than the supporting ones. सपोर्टिंग वंस मतलब क्या? जो कैंटीन फैसिलिटी होती है, रिफ्रेशमेंट फैसिलिटी, हाउसकीपिंग फैसिलिटी और हाउसकीपिंग वर्क. ओके, ऑल दीज आर ओनली सपोर्टिंग वंस. द एरिया ऑफ वर्क शुड बी neat, clean and tidy, but it is not important for the company to only and only focus on that work. Okay, because company needs to focus on manufacturing. Okay, so here I am taking only single example so that all the advantageous points you will come to know. So मैंने manufacturing company का ही एक example लिया है. Okay, if you want then you can take another example also. So with its help, companies can focus on their core areas, which lead to better profit and increase the quality of their products. Okay. Next is investment requirement are reduced. How it works? See, the organization can save on the investing on the latest technology, software and infrastructure, and let the outsourcing partner handle the entire infrastructure. Okay, so security purpose के लिए there is n number of infrastructure is required if the company is in a big platform. Okay, company is exporting, importing the number of goods, and the mega manufacturing company hai, they are having the number of plants and number of factories over there. Okay, so simply they also need to get the setup of proper CCTV cameras. Okay, number of security guards with the highly trained staff. येस और नो. सो बेटर कि ये सारे सॉफ्टवेयर्स एंड एट द सेम टाइम ये सारा जो सेटअप लगाने के लिए जितना कंपनी खुद होकर खर्चा करेगी, सो इट इज़ बेटर टू आउटसोर्स सच वर्क to the well skilled and efficient staff of outsource party. Okay, next is increased efficiency and productivity. So there is an increased efficiency and productivity in the non core areas of an organization. तो यहाँ पर भी क्या होता है, नॉन कोर एरिया है, मैं तो ये कंपनी का वर्कर हूँ, मुझे तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करना है, तो मैं क्यों ये कैंटीन का काम करूँ, like that. Okay, all these disputes will not take place. So each worker will improve his efficiency and he will be focusing on the productivity of the business only, because non-core business has been handed over to the particular agency only. Next is knowledge sharing. See, outsourcing enables the organization to share knowledge and best practices with each other. It helps to develop both the companies and also boost goodwill in the industry. How? Because industry में there is no a single company is standing. Number of companies and number of supporting companies are there. So they are simply sharing and they are moving towards the business of each other. They are respecting to each other's business, and in case of any help, so they are helping out to the each other, and at the same time they both are moving towards the proper business platform. बिकॉज आउटसोर्सिंग कंपनी को भी बिजनेस कमाना है, बिजनेस से कमाना है, एंड एट द सेम टाइम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी को भी बिजनेस से ही कमाना है. सो बेटर है वो दोनों क्या हो जाएंगे, कोलैबोरेशन रखेंगे एक दूसरे के साथ, एंड दे विल शेयर देयर बिजनेस विथ ईच अदर. ओके, सो ऑल दोज वेयर सम एडवांटेजेस ऑफ आउटसोर्सिंग. Now there are certain disadvantages also. What are those disadvantages? See, lack of customer focus. Now there is not a single company who is taking outsourcing part of single company. What does it mean? अगर एक कंपनी की कैंटीन चलाने के लिए एक एजेंसी काम कर रही है, तो सेम एजेंसी बी कंपनी के लिए भी कैंटीन फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड कर रही है. The same agency is providing facility to C company, D company, E company. So there are number of company that agency has taken the contract of number of company. So there might be chances that they will lack the focus on number of companies. See, an outsource vendor may be catering to the need of the multiple organization at a time. In such a situation, he may lack complete focus on an individual organization. ओके, तो किसी एक के ऊपर वो ध्यान देना उनके लिए मुसीबत बन जाती है. एज अ रिजल्ट द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में सफ़र. यार वो जो बैंड बाजा भारत का एग्जांपल मैंने दिया था. ओके, दे आल्सो आर गेटिंग द नंबर ऑफ इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स थे, सो दे वेर गेटिंग ऑल दोज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स. ओके, सो इट वॉज नॉट पॉसिबल टू देम टू मैनेज number of events at a one glance. Okay, so this is what the lack of customer focus. Next is a threat to security and confidentiality. There might be chances that agency company to whom the company has outsourced their some business, so such agency company can done with the malpractices, or they can take the secret data of the company which is confidential in nature. See, the confidential information of the organization may be leaked due to third party entrance. Okay, so there are securities issues. Next is dissatisfactory services. Some of the common problem areas with the outsourcing include stretched delivery time and substandard quality, because that outsourcing agency is taking contract or they are taking the duties of n number of companies, so there might be chances that they will provide you poor services. Okay. Next is ethical issues. The major ethical issue is taking away employment opportunity from one's own country when the function is outsourced to another company from another country. Okay, what does it mean? Ethical issues means what? I am having my manufacturing company and I am outsourcing my canteen area to the KFC or to the another brand of foreign area of foreign market. So what it will do is, so what will happen over here, इससे क्या होगा, मैं खुद की कंपनी को, खुद की कंट्री के एजेंसी को मैं कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ना देकर मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, बाहर वाली कंपनी which is foreign company in nature, I am providing them my outsourcing business, my non-core activity I am handing over to the foreign country. So these ethical issues also arrived in multinational companies. Okay. Next is other disadvantages they have given. For example, misunderstanding of the contracts. Many of the times there are the chances of disputes between the company and the outsourcing agencies. Okay, lack of communication, because they both are not collaborating their business with each other. Okay, they are not understanding that everyone's core business is different, but they are involving in each other's activity sometimes, and sometimes they are not focusing to the each other's demand. So this situation will make conflicts. Next is poor quality and delayed services. Sometimes these things also happens. अगर आपने बहुत सारी जगह पर restaurants देखे होंगे which has been outsourced earlier, it has been handled by the owners only, but now owner की अभी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, maybe now owner is out of country, so owner has given or hand over such particular restaurant to the another agency, and that agency is not going to give you a proper focus or proper services. So these things also happens in outsourcing, बिकॉज आउटसोर्सिंग में हम क्या करते हैं, हमारा खुद का काम जो होता है वही हम बाहर की पार्टी को हैंडल करने के लिए देते. ओके, सो बाहर की पार्टी वेदर इट इज़ ट्रस्टवर्दीनेस और नॉट वी डोंट नो, whether they are providing ethical services or not we don't know, whether they are providing proper quality services or not we don't know. All these things can be faced by the customer of और वर्कर्स ऑफ द कंपनी. सिर्फ कंपनी के वर्कर्स और कस्टमर ही जानते होंगे कि कंपनी ने जो काम बाहर की कंपनी को हैंडल करने के लिए दिया है, वेदर दे आर डूइंग इट प्रॉपरली और नॉट. ओके, सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आउटसोर्सिंग. From exam point of view, this question is most important question for a short note purpose or answer in brief. Anybody can ask such question. Okay, so all of you just note it down in your notebook. So here we are done for the day. Thank you.